If you've made money on NDAX and want to move it back into your bank account, this is exactly what you need to do. I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't run into any issues. Let's get started. First, log into your account on NDAX and head over to your wallet section. Before you withdraw anything, make sure your funds are in Canadian dollars. If your balance is still in crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you'll need to sell it first. Go to the trade section, select the asset, and convert it into Canadian dollars. If you want speed, use a market order. If you want a better price, use a limit order. Once your balance is in Canadian dollars, go back to your wallet. Now, look for the blue button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Then select Withdraw. One thing to note here, the withdraw option will be disabled for about 2.5 minutes after you sign in. So if you don't see it available right away, just wait for that timer to run out. After that, you'll be taken to a screen that asks you to select the asset. Choose CAD. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and press Continue. From here, you'll select your withdrawal method. For most beginners, Interac e-transfer is the easiest option. If it's your first time, you'll need to add your email address. Make sure it matches the one connected to your bank's Interac setup to avoid any issues. Double check the amount before confirming. NDAX does charge a small withdrawal fee, so the amount you receive will be slightly lower. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal and complete any verification steps, like entering a code sent to your phone or email. Now you just wait. You'll receive an email once the e-transfer is ready. Open it, follow the link, and deposit the money into your bank account. And that's it. One quick tip. Make sure you accept the e-transfer within the time limit. If it expires, you'll have to redo the withdrawal. If this helped you out, subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this.